Hey guys, how to add another page to Google Sites. So go ahead to the Google Sites workshop and you're going to see my recent sites. I'm going to go ahead and open up this portfolio project. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to see on the right hand menu, insert pages, themes. Click the second section. And you're going to see home, about, and project page. Okay. And then what you're going to do, just go ahead and hit new page or the plus button and name the new page. Let's say detail. Okay. And you're going to insert, all of your information. You're going to insert here, say your name. Okay. And then, start adding details about this page. You can add header here, right, to give it a look. If you want to choose images, just go ahead and upload your image. If you want to add about, about your website, or about you, about yourself, all that stuff. And right here, you're going to see, of course, the project pages, right, or the project page where you show your portfolio. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.